Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today here, I'm reviewing this 2006 Hess toy truck and helicopter. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So today here, I'm reviewing this 19-year-old Hess truck, the 2006 Hess toy truck and helicopter. It has Energizer batteries, real head and tail lights, and ramp tool, operating helicopter rotors and lights. So this is actually a Best Boy Hess truck, more details for that. And somehow this 19-year-old truck was definitely looked like a similar than the oldest version of all. So let's continue talk about this truck. So this right here, the gas station right here, you can see the people walking and getting inside with their belongings and their vehicles. I see that yellow jacket or a coat or a man cleaning the window, right? And so right in the right, you can see some people are chatting and putting some gas with their cars, and somehow it feels like every vehicle with different colors. It definitely looked like this blue one right here. It definitely like a Jeep, and that red truck right here, or a car seems to be like a Dodge car. Or right there in the blue one, it definitely looked like a or Chevy or Ford. And right there, I don't know what's the vehicle name of. I don't know. So let's talk about this truck right here. So this truck was definitely a 16 wheeler, I think, and somehow it's the best design in 2006. And check it out, the Christmas designs, and some Christmas lights right there. And somehow this truck was definitely looked like a similar truck than in the 95, right after the when we finishing all the stuff and now the fun fact. So let's have the front side. So here's a front side of the truck. You can see the grill right there and the Hess logo in the top and also the bottom bumper size. And you can see those lights on the bumper and those yellow main lights on it, and it's bright, and the window looks definitely shading round of his windows, and the wipers stay there, and the lights on the top. The mirror size are definitely a bit more smaller than the 95 version, and somehow this truck looked like a cab over. Okay, now on the back side of the truck, you can see the year 2006, and that means Hess 2006, and the Hess logo on the bottom, and the tires on the bottom too. The ramp is definitely completely normal and the coolest design. The lights are definitely in the size of the truck. And the helicopter on the top, you can see the switch. It's right over there. And the wings are staying completely normal as the 95. And the light right here definitely look like somehow like flashing lights when the rotors are spinning around, and the engine right here, somehow it's part of the helicopter, and somehow this back of the truck was definitely not similar than the 95. So it's the new one actually. Now look at the bottom of the word says made in China, copyright 2006, Hess Corporation, and the location of that was Woodbridge, New Jersey, and the number code was 0709950961. So I think it's a code or something. I don't know. So let's open up this truck. Alright, let's open up this truck. Okay. Alright, let's take it out. Close it. Alright. So here's the truck from the 2006, and definitely it looks a best designed in the mid 2000s. So let's check out of the tires. So the tires are definitely rubbery, and the triangular main wheels are definitely a circle, or it definitely looked like huge main cross, like that horizontal version, and the tires are definitely the newest of all in 2006. You can see the detail of the truck was a coolest detail in the mid 2000s, and in the front, and you can see blue main lights on the bumper and two main lights on the side of the bumper. Sorry. And you can see the Hess logo on the bottom. The grille looks definitely silver. The lights are definitely definitely I don't know what it's called. Text in the comments and what it's called. I know it's lights and I don't know what it's called. So anyways, let's pay attention. You can see the black main window on the side, and the wipers are stayed normal completely, and there was a tiny Hess logo right in the front, and mirror sides are definitely bit cleaned, and the lights on the top looks definitely better about this detail on the front. And let's talk about the trailer. So the trailer right here, it's definitely the new version of the similar of the 1995 version, and the helicopter right here, it's definitely worked, and you can open up like that and spin, and the detail of the helicopter looks definitely awesome about this design, and everybody loves this truck. And now on to the lights. Okay everyone, so I put our lights on, and wow, look at this. And I believe this light was bright as for 19 years ago, and the helicopter, you can see the rotors are spinning around just like I just said, and also the backside too. And this truck was a best design in the mid 2000s, and I definitely love this truck, and somehow I'm better turn off. Alright everyone, so now it's the fun fact time. So about this amazing Hess truck, and did you know that it looks similar than of the 1995 version about this Hess truck? And This Hess truck looks definitely the similar right here, and you can see the helicopter. Like both helicopters are not similar. The rotors are of the 1995. It's definitely red, and the the 2006 version it's green actually. And somehow this truck was the original version of the Hess toy truck and helicopter, but the new version of the 2006 version, it's definitely not similar about this truck. And you can see the cabs are different and the wheels are different too as well. And somehow I'm better have a good time. So I'm back and welcoming to YouTube, and sorry I did not making videos for long because I was taking a lot of breaks and during that New Year's Day, and I'm glad I'm back. So I will making another Hess truck review for upcoming, let me guess, maybe on Friday I think. So enjoy your collectioning trucks and click on my comment below and subscribe my channel. Like subscribe. So anyways, peace.